it's Natalie from Belcourt Property Group, and today I'm outside 318 Crawford Road in Inglewood. This is the cutest, most beautifully renovated 3x1 green title home that you have ever seen. Let's go inside and take a look. I'm so excited to show you this one. So folks, I am totally in love with this cottage. You've got beautiful warm jarrah boards in the original rooms. You've got high decor ceilings. I'm going to show you the two front bedrooms first. This is a beautiful space. You've got plantation shutters. You've got great bank of built-in robes. You can see those gorgeous cornices. Great ceiling fan. I'm going to come around and so you can get a sense of the size. We've got a queen bed in here, plenty of room, bedside next to it, just really generous proportions. You can see back down the hallway. I'm going to scoot here into the second bedroom. Again, you've got lovely white timber blinds, nice little recess for the bed, big double bed in there. There's the cat sitting there, bedsides either side, and you can see all of this extra space as well. So plenty of room for built-in robes if you want to put them in. There is a third bedroom at the back and we will go down there shortly. There's little linen in here, but I'm going to start with the renovated bathroom. This is glorious. There's me in the window. Hello. Beautiful suspended vanity. Great tiles. I love those black hexagonal tiles. You've got bath and we've got separate shower, and the black hexagonal tiles extend through to the floor as well. Super tidy, just gorgeous presentation in this home. It is a real little stunner. Now I'm not sure which way to go because they are both super exciting. We'll go here, the living area. How beautiful is that? Feature fireplace, again the gorgeous jarrah floors. You've got really nice proportions as well in this room. You can see this very large TV that's been hung there. The really pretty, again, cornice detail. This space has been completely opened up to the kitchen, put in, I think, a very clever feature with the barn door that leads out to the back, so you're not losing space. And then you've got this beautifully renovated kitchen with its very pretty green subway tile splashback. I think the timber bench tops are a really nice touch. It just gives it a real sense of warmth. Very practical space. You've got a dishwasher that's there. You've got, I'm going to kind of come around to the corner so you can see that there's further cupboards that are built in around the fridge. You've got your microwave tucked away, everything you want for a single or couple. Gas hob, and you've got a stove and range hood that is vented as well. And of course this then leads out to the meals area, and there's our second cat sitting at the back door saying hello. So we'll pan back, hello again, and you've got this beautiful meal space. This area is just so light and bright courtesy of these great windows. So this would have been the original sleep out, but it has been completely renovated. The laundry is a cracker, and it's not often you get to say this is a really stunning laundry, but this is a really stunning laundry with lots again of built-in cupboard space that matches the kitchen fit out, and you've got the toilet tucked away in there. I'm not going to open the door. Just off the meals area. So the outside space goes around to a garden shed. Otherwise your garden is at the front and you've got gates for that, to make it nice and private. And this is the third bedroom come study, so you've got a bed there. You'll fit a king single quite easily. I just love this. This is just such a cozy room. Plenty of space. You've got lots of gap between the wall and the bed. You've got, again, these lovely plantation shutters that are a feature throughout the home. You've got more than enough room for a study desk. You know, if you want, again, put a bank of robes in, plenty of room for it. It's just a really great space. And again, this use of the barn door so that you're not losing space for doors opening and closing. And there's just another shot of the meals through to the kitchen. You can see now up the hallway. I think it's great just to get another view up to the main bedroom, and we'll just pan back past that beautiful living area from this angle. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous home. Location wise, this is a cracker. I mean, it's Inglewood. You've got Beaufort Street and all of its wonderful amenities that way. You've got Walter Road and more cafes and transport options that way. You've got parks, you've got the primary school, you're surrounded by beautiful homes. What's not to love? Of course, the big bonus with this beautiful home is one, that it's renovated, and two, it's a green title. I think interest is going to be brisk, so call me now, 0405 812 273 for more details, or see you at a home open. Have a great day.